Hey Whitman, Lolly sure does miss you. Here's another story. This one's for bedtime. Beep, beep, beep. Time for sleep. Written by Claire Freeman and illustrated by Richard Smythe. It's been a busy working day, road building on the highway. Vroom! Heavy trucks thunder past. Swish! Cars and vans all driving fast. Whitman, I know you can name all these vehicles, but Lolly can't. But I know the colors. We've got yellow and orange, green and blue. I'd say that truck is blue and purple, and this one's blue. Backhoe loader jolts and judders, and when he drills, the whole road shudders. Digger's sharp teeth hit the earth. He's clawing holes for all he's worth. They're working hard. Reverse warning, beep, beep, beep. Here's a dump truck with one more heap. Concrete mixer's drum is turning, sand, cement, and gravel churning. Dusty plow truck at the double tips his stones and rubble. Grader with his giant blade soon gets the sticky asphalt laid. Wow, look at them all. When the huge roller with a clatter loves to press the tarmac flatter. Let's take a look at the picture. See if you can find some birds and some cows. Oh, there's the birds. There's the cows. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Backhoe loaders, stop your drill. The sun has sunk behind the hill. Time to wind down, time for stopping. Hear the concrete mixers popping. Shadows fall, the workday ends for all the roadwork building friends. New road signs flash up overhead. Please take the exit ramp off to bed. What's up in the sky? Do you see that hot air balloon? Can you count the trees? There's a lot. After dump truck's rough, tough day, he's hosed down with a cooling spray. Clean up digger, no more rush. His giant bucket gets a brush. There's those birds again. Tired road roller's done his best. It's time to stop. It's time to rest. Plow truck parks for the night. He cuts his motor and dims his light. Grader yawns and off he lumbers, soon to snore in sleepy slumbers. There's those cows. and a great big full moon. Let's count the cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Traffic cones light up his way, shimmering in the dusky gray. All tucked up safely in their yard, they snuggle down. They've worked so hard. Soon sparkling stars begin to peep as one by one they fall asleep. Even the cows are starting to go to sleep. Let's see if we can count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The silver moonlight softly gleams. Good night, big machines. Sweet dreams. Good night, Whitman. I hope you have wonderful dreams. Lolly loves you.